Okay, she keep calling every single night. And I don't mind pushing cute vibe. Almost to the God, I'm in my mind. Swear I wanna die, yeah, when you cross my still wanna die, yeah. No, I'm not alright, yeah. I might start a riot, yeah. I'm so fucking tired, yeah. So what's up, what you say?